they are losing popularity, and primarily laundromats, because they just don't hold up in a laundromat. People try to stuff them completely full. They got pumps on them that the pumps get bad. They're expensive to run. They use a lot of utilities, a lot of repairs, a lot of headaches. So we're seeing them phased out of laundromat. And that's been going on for not just a year or two, but for many, many, many years. Although it's funny is you got some of the old timers are people that's what they want to use, right? So we put a few of them in. We are seeing a kind of a resurgence of top loaders from front loaders because a lot of people don't know how to properly take care of a front loader, and they get a smell in it that in what we call a small chassis environment. Overall, the water consumption is high on them, and pumps in them versus a gravity drain is certainly a weakness in terms of a service pain point. So let's say you're at your hotel and you've got guest laundry vended for your guests. What would you want to choose? To be ADA compliant, you have to put in front load. Top load doesn't count. So you definitely need a set of ADA compliant machines. The front load with front controls complies with that. Next comes space. If you do a stack washer dryer with a front load washer and a dryer that fits in a small little footprint, again, if you've got a space requirement, that's a really nice option. The advantage of a top loader is again, while I was talking about cleaning the seal and keeping the machine clean for it doesn't smell, where that rubber boot is on the front, the top loader is a nice choice. So there's a lot of things that come down to it other than just 100% what the customer or the end user particularly wants. What does your facility allow you to do? And then also, kind of the choice, do you have to have an ADA compliant machine, or you just want to put some top loaders in that everyone kind of knows how to use them and they're relatively trouble-free.